Just a nice short and sweet one this time. So some of you guys may remember that ages ago, I've had a really bad power steering leak. It's been that way for a long time. Basically, the high pressure hose, so the hose that goes from the power steering pump into the power steering box, has had a leak in it for a fair while. You can see here the actual hole. Sorry about the camera angle. I've had my phone on portrait, not landscape, so yeah, my phone gets better close-ups than the GoPro, so I use that for just to show some close-ups. So yeah, you can check that out. It's a real easy job. So it's one 17mm bolt, banjo bolt on the actual power steering pump, one 14mm on the gearbox, and then there's a 12mm mounting bolt. Basically underneath my air intake, right down low, kind of near between the air intake and the radiator, if that makes sense. Yeah, one mounting bolt that holds that. It's a real simple, straightforward job. Give it a go if you've got a leak. Find your leak first, then replace this hose. Real straightforward, as I said. Probably all in all took me 10 minutes. Shout out to Ripper Skids. It's a fella who helped me get some parts for this video. His name's Riley. Great fella, he's just starting up a YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description. But yeah, go check him out. He's a little gun welder and he's doing a fair bit of work out there. If you like the video, subscribe. If you don't subscribe, leave a comment. Leave a like, leave a dislike. All feedback's good feedback. Really appreciate you guys watching. Nice short, sweet one this time. Thank you, Findog out.